It's a early Christmas here at the Metal and Wood channel. I don't know if you recognize. That's original. That's not Chinese. That's original. Just wait until you see what's in here, unless the picture from YouTube gives it away. It looks like a 372. It looks like an original Husqvarna. Well, it is an original Husqvarna. But it's December 2024. This saw has not been made or sold, as far as I know, in a long time. Let me spin it around for you. December 2024. A 390. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? I got a original Husqvarna 390. 80-something cc's. What is it, 88? Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. Take care.